The NFL season over recent years has been a struggle in South Florida. It wasn't always that case. The Miami Dolphins were once a historical, storied franchise going to Super Bowls year after year, going undefeated. They were one of those pinnacle franchises that other franchises emulated themselves after. Not since the mid-90s. Since Dan Marino stepped wrong and ruined his Achilles, the Miami Dolphins have been a middling franchise, and since Dan Marino hung them up in the early 2000s, the Miami Dolphins have been a bottom-tier franchise. Well, this year was going to be different. They've been building and building and building and building. Joe Philbin, and you have Mike Sherman, and you have your future in Ryan Tannehill, and you go out, and just like in years past, you get a coup from the New York Jets. Dustin Keller. Boom! Saturday happens, and Dustin Keller's season is done. And one of those hits that you will never forget, one of those hits you always remember where you were, and one of those hits that when you play it back in your mind, you will always remember Dustin Keller tears his ACL, his PCL, his MCL, and dislocates his knee. That's not only the triumvirate, that's a triumvirate plus. That's something that, while you're done for the year, your career is never the same. Dante Culpepper came over with less and was never the same quarterback. And Dustin Keller, honestly, as mobile as Culpepper wasn't a tight end. He didn't have to go and run routes, and he didn't have to go down the middle of the field. The Miami Dolphins finally seemed like they were getting everything together, and right then, the carpet comes out from underneath them. Now, Wallace looked good, and Gibson looked good, and Tannehill looked comfortable, and the defense, and the offensive line finally at times looked better. Doesn't matter. Dustin Keller's done, and the hopes of the season are dashed. This is the Lube Tube.